Hey, what's it, guys? It's edwoodyward, and today we're gonna unbox the Redragon Kama. The number is sometimes they refer to their numbers, kaya we have it as K578. It has high quality LED backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. So it is a high quality LED backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. High precision machinery manufacturer. Double injection keycaps. Okay, nice. That's a nice touch. Full key conflict free, spill proof. Windows keys can be disabled in gaming. Now, Redragon is a Chinese company. It's a reputable brand, so it's not your like the usual Chinese knockoffs. So established brand talaga siya. They can be found in Amazon website as well, selling different products. Manufactured by Eastern Times Technology. Address is Fengrun Industrial Area, Yoganpu Village, Guangdong, China. Alright. We have here RGB backlight, full without, I don't know what's full without conflict. I guess full keyboards. 12 multimedia keys, gold plated USB, and then Windows lock. Okay, let's open this Redragon Kama. Should I open it and I tried to peek inside already, just to be honest. But yeah, let's see what's in store for us. Oops. Okay, there's a booklet here. And keyboard itself. What is this? Thank you for recent purchase. Like a feedback note. And here is your quick guide. Now we have keycap spooler. Okay. And the keyboard itself. Alright, so it is pretty heavy. I thought at first aluminum siya, pero hindi. It's made of ABS, pero sobrang sturdy niya. You can't bend it at all. Okay. Magandang quality ng plastic that was used here. Okay, here, K578 BRRGB mechanical gaming keyboard. And the trade name is Kama. It has two stands here. Okay, with rubber paddings on all four sides. Then again, heavy siya. Quality build. Akala ko anong una is made of metal or aluminum. Okay, they say it's gold plated, so check natin. Yep. Okay, so now let's test the features of this keyboard. So I have downloaded the software already. So you just go to their website, then choose the model that you have, tapos i-download nyo na, then install it. Yep, that's it. We have it installed already. So as you can see, Kama, it says on the interface is Redragon Kama mechanical gaming keyboard. So it has three profiles already pre-installed or pre-made. So let's check out the profile one first. So ang lighting niya is from up going down, RGB colors. Then for profile 2, it's from left to right, so parang wave. Profile 3, you have same thing here. Same goes for profile 3, but the frequency is kind of like a little bit slow compared to profile 2. Then macros, we have the settings here. Okay, so try natin siyang i-click light so that we can check the the settings. So it says here, go with the stream. So brightness level is here. O ayan, nawala. So you can adjust the brightness level for each light setting. So brightness, and then let's slow it down there, then speed it up. So go with the stream light. Color is pwedeng isa lang. Ayan, green. Or is this purple? So ayan. Wow, yan ang maganda. Okay, or colorful. Pwede rin left to right. So this one is right to left. So depende sa preference nyo. So yan ang go with the stream. Let's go with clouds fly. Okay. Medyo matagal ang transition ng colors niya at para siyang from bottom left going to upper right. Yung change of color. Next is winding paths. Okay. Para siyang nagsasalubong from upper half pa it's going counterclockwise. Actually, lahat counterclockwise pala. So, yun ang color pattern niya is going in circles counterclockwise. Then we have the trail of light. Okay. Changing of colors then. So, let's speed it up. Yun yan. Mabagal na transition from different colors. Next is breathing. So, ito pinaka-simple. Breathing pattern. You can also just choose one color. Then, ayan. This time I chose red. Okay, colorful. Let's go back. Then, normally on. That's it. Normally on. As the name implies, normally on. Ito, razor. Go back to colorful. And pass without trace. Ano yun? Speed without, pass without trace. Okay, ganda. So, try natin lagyan ng delay. Ayan, may delay. Pag slow down natin yung speed. Okay. Next is ripple graph. Ripple graph is here. Yan ang ripple graph. Okay. Fast run without trace. So, per row. Okay. Next is snow, winter, jasmine. Ganyan lang. Medyo magulo. Flowers blooming. Okay. Colorful. Swift action is here. Whoa. Medyo psychedelic yung lighting. Ganda-ganda yung color niya. Yung pag-fade, para kang nahihilo. Okay. Hurricane is here. So, ayan. And accumulate. Where does it accumulate? Okay, sa gitna. Ayan lang siya. Digital times. Ganda. Ganda din to. Then, next is, this is surmount. Surmount. Okay. And both ways. Basically going back and forth with different colors. Pag pinili yung colorful, at pag pumili ka ng specific color, then that's the only pattern they'll have. Okay, next is Fast and Furious. Fast and Furious. How? Ooh. From outside going inside. Ito medyo nakakahilo din. Let's try ito. From inside going outside. Ganda din siya. Though pang colorful lang siya. And last is Coastal. FPS. So this is intended for FPS gaming. Okay. There. Pwede siya customize din. Okay. So that's it for the color combinations and lighting configurations of the Redragon Kama. So now let's try how does it sound. This keyboard has Otemu Brown switch. So let's try if this is something that you would want, or mas trip nyo ba yung Otemu red or blue, or probably cherry brown, blue, red MX. So yeah. Alright guys, so the verdict for this keyboard is very sturdy. If you're not too particular in getting a keyboard that has plastic board or made of ABS plastic, you get this one. And you won't pay for the premium price of getting an aluminum rin. Kahit plastic siya, masasabi ko na very sturdy. Hindi ko nga siya mabend eh. Ayan o. Okay, and heavy siya. So, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa niya. Yung build niya it's high quality build. It's not well known compared to, of course, Corsair, Logitech, and other brands or Steel series. Pero, maganda naman ang pagkakagawa ng model na to. So, again, this is mechanical keyboard. It has Otemu Brown switch. I know for the same model, they have different switches rin available. Pero, last time I checked sa market, unti lang talaga ang nagkikarry ng model na ito kasi alam ko pa face out na rin siya. And for the price point, I think this is very affordable for its features. A lot of configurations that you can make on the profile using the software. You can create your own lighting scheme and patterns. Tapos it has macros enabled din. Excuse me. What else? This one has replaceable keycaps there. Okay. So, kung gusto siyang palitan, I'm planning to replace mine using the HyperX double shot keycaps, yung white, para black and white theme niya. Kasi that's what I'm going for on my build. So, ayan yung switch niya. So again, it's Otemu Brown. I'm not so sure kung replaceable siya, but I have to check. Okay? Kung replaceable man, I don't have any replacement switches. Pero, I'm good with Otemu Brown kasi gusto ko yung feel niya. And the noise, yun, hindi siya clicky sounding. Yung iba kasi, depende talaga sa preference eh. But for me, brown is the perfect one. So that's it guys for the quick unboxing and review of the Redragon Kama. Hope you guys like my video. Please do not forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I hope to see you guys on the next video.